Everyone, I hope you are doing well and you enjoyed the first week of classes. This week, week two, is about understanding people, and I want to thank you again for your patience as I too, this is my first semester teaching this course. And the goal of it is really to talk about leadership throughout the ages. This week, what we have is a reading, and there are 25 pages, but I want you to know it's okay to skim, it's okay to take big pictures. Please look at the questions on the quiz before reading so that you'll know what you really need to pay attention to. You will also be studying Carl Jung's Collective Unconscious. It's a little bit shorter read. And again, it's very okay to skim through and know the basic concepts. Please look at the quiz and that will help you understand. In the discussion board, I will ask one question that I'd like for you to answer, and you can choose among the other two. I've updated how you can use discussions on Blackboard. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you very soon. Thanks.